Okay, now that we've got our key, we're back in the car. We've disconnected the battery, we've cleaned the posts. Now we're gonna have some check engine lights because we've disconnected the battery. We already had the P0611 code that was on there when we started the video. So let's go ahead and put our foot in the brake, start the car. All right, look at all these codes you get. AST, ESC, hill hold, forward collision, traffic sign recognition, service power steering, driver attention assist unavailable. We're getting all kinds of stuff. Don't worry about it. Here's what we need to do. Put the seatbelt on. Put the car in drive. Okay? We're gonna roll forward. We still have a lot of codes. We're gonna go just a little ways and we're gonna do a full left lock turn. I'm going all the way to the stop. See, I'm all the way, it's as far as I can go. Okay? And we're gonna go do the same thing, do a full right-hand lock turn. I'm gonna go all the way to the stop. Okay? Still got codes. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Okay. Car's in park. Foot on the brake, start it again. Codes are gone. Completely gone. You know why? Because all the systems are now right. If you noticed, the code that we had for the P0611 is gone too. So we don't have a problem with the fuel injection system in this car. There's nothing wrong with it. It's ISO 9000 certified components on this car. It's just those posts were corroded and it was starting to give some false flags. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in drive again. I'm gonna drive a little short distance. Now it's always good to drive when you do this because if you have forward collision, the camera has to pick back up and all that. So it's important to just drive it a little bit. All right, we're gonna come around the corner here, making sure that you did your full left lock turn and full right lock turn. Doesn't matter what order you do it, just make sure you go to the stops. Let's go put it in park again, turn the car off. All right, back on. No codes, no nothing. Right as rain. So far we've spent about $4 for a post cleaner and some non-corrosive gel. So, you know, if you want to go several hundred miles to a dealership, have the car towed, have it in there for a week for them to figure out what the heck is wrong, or you can do this yourself. Now once you do this, you probably will have years of great reliable service as long as your battery's good. And remember, the stop-start function will report unavailable if the car has 70% or less charge on that battery. So these corroded posts can give you that false flag and cause the battery not to charge properly, and that's what lights off the code. And so that's what happens. So anyway, I hope this video helped you. Again, here's my card if you need to reach me. I'm on Eastern Time, john@bensonfiat.com or bensonfiat.com or bensonalpha.com. So we've been here for 9 years, been working with Alfa Romeo for 6 years, and we've seen a few cars. So, you know, hopefully if you need our experience, send me an email or give me a call. Have a great day, and I hope you don't have any check engine lights. It's an easy fix, my friends. Do it. Ciao.